Where does inspiration truly come from? This elusive spark, it turns the ordinary into extraordinary and transforms the mundane into the magical. Think about J.K. Rowling, the renowned author of the Harry Potter series. She dreamt up the idea of a young wizard while stuck on a delayed train between Manchester and London. An unexpected delay became the birthplace of one of the most beloved fantasy worlds our generation has known. Then there's Dr. Seuss, the celebrated children's author. Did you know that the rhythmic style of his books was inspired by the rhythmic sounds of a ship's engine? Yes, the monotonous hum of machinery sparked the creation of whimsical worlds filled with rhyming and laughter. Or consider the story of Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. Her multi-million-dollar idea was born out of frustration with traditional underwear options. While preparing for a party, she cut the feet off her pantyhose and, voila, an innovative solution to an everyday problem was born. These stories teach us something fundamental about inspiration. It doesn't always come from where we expect. It's not confined to breathtaking sunsets, majestic mountains, or profound pieces of art. It can be found in the most mundane moments, the most ordinary places, and the simplest of things. But how does one truly find inspiration? First, keep an open mind. Inspiration often comes when we least expect it. Like Rowling, Seuss, and Blakely, be open to the possibilities that lie in everyday life. Second, embrace the unexpected. Delays, frustrations, even the hum of a machine can be the spark that ignites a revolutionary idea. Third, don't be afraid to look at things from a different perspective. Flip the script, turn the world upside down. Sometimes, a fresh viewpoint can reveal hidden treasures of inspiration. And finally, remember that inspiration is deeply personal. What inspires one person might not inspire another. It's a journey of discovery, unique to each individual. In conclusion, seek inspiration in the everyday. Keep an open mind, embrace the unexpected, look at things from a different perspective, and remember that your journey is uniquely yours. Inspiration is everywhere, in every moment, waiting to be discovered. It's not about finding the perfect moment of inspiration. It's about transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary ones. So go ahead, find your train delay, your engine hum, your pair of pantyhose, and let them guide you to your own magical world of inspiration.